Welcome to Chem Help ASAP. Let's do a slightly more difficult SN2 sample reaction. Be ready to pause the video once I show the problem on the next page, after I give a hint, if you want to try the question on your own. Our reaction is shown on the screen, and we need to provide the reagents to do this problem. I'll give a hint. This reaction needs 2 steps. Pause the video for a bit and think about how you might approach this problem. We'll hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Based on the title of this video, it's clear that we're going to do an SN2 reaction. You know that we will need a strong nucleophile. Since the product has an azide, the nucleophile will need to be sodium azide. That's fine, there's still a problem. We don't have a leaving group. An OH group is not a good leaving group. So we know we need a leaving group, and we know we need to do an SN2. That gives us 2 steps. First, let's make a leaving group. Second, let's do the SN2 with sodium azide. We can put both steps on one arrow, but we will need to clearly number each step. So the first step, how do we make a leaving group? Any reaction that converts an OH to a halide is fine, but my preference is to convert the OH to a tosylate. That requires tosyl chloride, or TSCl, and pyridine, which can be abbreviated PYR. After this step, we will have converted the alcohol to the corresponding tosylate. Here is the structure of our tosylate. The OH becomes an OTS. Note that we have clearly labeled the reagents that make the tosylate as step 1. Step 2 is our SN2. That's much easier. We'll just use sodium azide. To be clear, we will number the reagent for the second step as step 2. At the end of step 2, we'll have our final product. So here is our answer in the box over the reaction arrow. This is not a terribly difficult problem, but seeing 2 steps in a transformation is much harder than a 1-step process. A common mistake for this question would be just to try to complete the reaction with sodium azide as the only reagent. Sodium azide is part of the solution, but first you need to make a leaving group for the SN2 reaction to occur.